Want to crush it on Amazon? Let's talk Jungle Scout. Meet Jungle Scout, the ultimate tool for Amazon sellers. First up, it's got killer product research tools. Find profitable products fast with its product database and product tracker. Next, keyword research. Discover high traffic, low competition keywords using Keyword Scout to boost your product visibility. Need sales data? Jungle Scout Sales Analytics provide detailed insights, helping you make smart inventory decisions and competitor analysis. You can scope out rivals' pricing, reviews, and sales data to find market gaps. Looking for suppliers? The supplier database connects you with reliable manufacturers. Plus, the profitability calculator ensures you know if a product is worth it. Stay ahead with market trends and use review insights to improve your products. Track your sales rank over time and adjust your strategies. And did we mention, it's user-friendly, even for beginners. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Jungle Scout and watch your Amazon FBA success soar.